Friends, Kalrao School Halol presenting this video for standard 8th English medium subject English. Friends, today we are going to discuss about poem about one poet. Okay, one morning the poet was walking. What is the summary of this poem? That I will tell you firstly, then after we will explain the poem. In this poem, one morning one poet was walking on the stone road. Okay, he wanted to be hired by someone and he cried, "Come on, hire me." At first, there one king came with a sword in his hand, and he said that he would hire the poet with his power. But the poet did not count, so the poet refused to king to went from there. Then after heat of the midday means at the time of the afternoon, a poet was wandering along the street. One old man came with a bag of gold. Okay, and then after he wanted to hire the poet with his money, but poet but for the poet his gold coins are valueless, so he also went away from there. At evening time, at a garden hues were the beautiful flowers for a maid coming out of her. One beautiful lady coming out and hired the poet with a smile, but her smile is nothing for the poet, so she went back alone into the dark. But finally the poet met the child who was playing with a shell on the beach. So he raised his head and said, "I hire you with nothing." मैं आपको कुछ भी नहीं देके खरीदूंगा. Poet agreed with him. Okay, and this is the end of the poem. The child's play made free. Exact idea. This is the theme of the poet, which is given into the beautifully described by the poet Rabindranath Tagore. You can see the picture about the boy and about the poet. Okay, let's see what is there. First stanza. "Come and hire me, I cried while into the morning." Okay, I was walking onto the stone paved road. Right, in this first two line, poet says that into the morning I cried, means मैं चिल्ला रहा था कि कोई मुझे हायर कर लो, कोई मुझे खरीद लो. I was walking onto the stone paved road, पत्थर वाले रोड पे मैं चल रहा था. I was walking onto the stone paved road. Sword in his hand, the king came in his chariot. किंग जो है वो अपने कैरियट में बैठकर अपने हाथ में स्वॉर्ड लेकर ही केम टू द पोएट. ही हेल्ड माई हैंड एंड सेड. आफ्टर केम ही हेल्ड अ पोएट्स हैंड, और उसको क्या कहता है, आई विल हायर यू विथ माई पावर. पोएट को देखकर जो किंग होता है, किंग वॉन्ट्स टू हायर दैट पोएट विथ हिज पावर, बट हिज पावर काउंटेड फॉर नॉट एंड ही वेंट अवे इन हिज कैरियट. लेकिन उसका जो पावर था वो कोई भी काम का नहीं था पोएट के लिए. फॉर द पोएट हिज पावर इज नथिंग. ओके, सो वो राजा था, द किंग वेंट अवे फ्रॉम देयर, अपने कैरियट में बैठकर चला जाता है. अब इन द हीट ऑफ द मिड डे द हाउस स्टूड विथ अ शट डोर्स. आई वंडर अलॉन्ग द क्रॉक लैंड एंड ओल्ड मैन केम आउट विथ हिज बैग ऑफ गोल्ड. At the middle of the day and he was offering a lot of gold and money in his bag. He was offering a gold to the poet, and he was trying to purchase hire the poet with his gold. So he offered a lot of money to the poet. Okay, he pronounced and said, I will hire you with my money. So the old man wants to hire the poet with his money. Okay, he wants to hire that poet with his old gold of the bag. But poet was not interested to in his bag and gold whatever he has. Okay, so he weighed his coins one by one. Okay, but I turned away. At that time, whenever poet shows his disinterest into the bag of the gold, at that time the old man went away from that. Now the next stanza. It was the time of the evening. The garden hedge was all the aflower. The fair and maid come out and said, I will hire you with a smile. At the time of the evening, one lady came to the garden and she said that maid came to the garden. One beautiful lady came to the garden and told to the poet that she want to hire him with her smile. Her smile pleaded and melted into the tears, and she went back alone into the dark. But for the poet, the lady's smile didn't have any mean. Okay, so he told that lady, वो lady को कह देता है कि I last stanza, the sun ग्लाइस्टेंड ऑन टू द सैंड। ओके, जो सन होता है वो ग्लाइस्टेन सूरत की रेत के ऊपर चमक रहा होता है। ग्लाइस्टेन मीन्स चमकना। ही द सन वॉज ग्लाइस्टेड ऑन टू द सैंड एंड द सी वेव्स ब्रोक वे वार्डली। और समुद्र की जो लहरें होती है वो बहुत यहाँ वहाँ चल रही होती है। एट दैट सिचुएशन अ चाइल्ड सैट प्लेइंग विद द शैल। चाइल्ड वहाँ पे बैठा हुआ, एक बच्चा वहाँ पे बैठा हुआ था और ही वॉज प्लेइंग विद द शैल। वो शैल्स के साथ, मतलब कोड़िया जो होती है आपको पता होगा, वो उसके साथ खेल रहा था। ही रेज्ड हिज हेड एंड सीम्स टू नो मी एंड सेड आई हायर यू विथ नथिंग। वो अपने हेड को रेज करता है। ही वॉज रेजिंग हिज हेड एंड वो कहता है कि मुझे आपको खरीदना है लेकिन मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है। From the hands forward that the bargain struck in child's play made me a free man। और जैसे ही वो ये जानना चाहता था कि मुझे उसको खरीदना है तो कुछ भी बताया बिना मैं आपको फ्री में खरीद लूँगा। तो फाइनली ये जो बार्गिन जो होता है, सौदा जो होता है, वो तय हो जाता है और वो खेल के अंदर शामिल हो जाता है। पोएट ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व इनटू द गेम। और अब पोएट को लगता है कि वो क्या हो गया है, फ्री मैन, मतलब वो आज़ाद हो गया है। सो दिस इज़ द पोएम, जो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल पोएम है, विच वॉज रिटन बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर। रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर ने ये पोएम लिखी हुई है। इस पोएम के अंदर पोएट जो है वो किस तरीके से सुबह सुबह जाता है, कोई उसको खरीद ले, वो चिल्ला चिल्ला के बोल रहा था। राजा उसको पैसों से खरीदना चाहता है, एक बूढ़ा इंसान उसको पैसों गोल्ड से खरीदना चाहता है, एक औरत आती है जो उसको स्माइल से खरीदना चाहती है, लेकिन पोएट वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड। Summary of the poem that I explained word to word. Okay, I hope you guys can understand what is there in this poem, Last Bargain. So related to this video, whatever the question answers are there, that I will send you through the PDF that you have to write down in your notebook. In our next video we will discuss about the next chapter, new chapter. Okay, bye, take care.